Nature Tic Tac Toe. All right, artists, this project is all about nature, earth, recycling, and we're going to make a game that you can play with it. Tic Tac Toe board. This project is going to start off with a walk in nature. Hopefully you and your family could go out and take a walk and look for things like sticks, smooth rocks. I even found these acorn caps to use. Once you bring your rocks back inside, you can put them in a colander and rinse them off. Get all the dirt and grime off of them. Let them dry on a towel, and once they're dry, you'll be ready to paint them. For my board, I found a piece of cardboard in my recycling that came on the bottom of a case of sparkling ice water. It's the perfect size to fit right into my gallon Ziploc bag, and that way I'll be able to store my tic-tac-toe game right in the Ziploc bag. So if you don't find one that is the right size, you could always cut it down. I narrowed my rocks down to 5 of the kind of the same size rocks that were nice and smooth for painting, and 5 acorn caps. And then I just found some sticks that were kind of nice and straight, so I could use them for the lines in my tic-tac-toe board. Even though there's only 9 spaces on the tic-tac-toe board, you'll want to have 5 of each kind of piece so that no matter which way the game goes, you'll have enough pieces. Next, I snapped off my sticks so that they didn't stick off over the edge of my cardboard, so that they fit just perfectly on there. Now you could keep your nature tic-tac-toe natural and just leave it look like rocks and sticks and acorn caps, or do 2 different type of rocks, maybe light rocks versus dark rocks. But in my game, I'm going to be adding some color. It's up to you. It's totally up to you what kind of design you want to use, or if you want to use a design at all. So I painted with acrylic paint right over the top of my sticks and right over the top of my rocks. Acrylic paint is made to stay and be permanent, but that also means you have to be careful with your clothes. So it's hard to get out of your clothes, so you might want to put on an old painting shirt or something to protect yourself. The reason why I painted my surface of my rocks white first was so that I could get a brighter color. I painted them white, let them dry, and now I'm just painting the color design over the top of them that I want. And that just gives me a fresh, bright surface to paint on, makes the color pop a little bit more. I did the same thing with 2 of the sticks. So 2 of the sticks I left natural, 2 of them I painted white first. You can see I'm using kind of a bright, cheery, rainbow kind of design for my board. But think about what you could do. You could do anything. You could make them look like little creatures, little animals, put faces on them, make them look like little fish, anything your heart desires. Maybe they're all your favorite color. You are creative, so you'll come up with something great. Next, I'm going to use a hot glue gun to glue my sticks in place. If you don't have a hot glue gun, that's okay. You could just have your sticks in the bag, and when you want to play, you just lay them in place. Make sure if you're a young artist, you have a grown-up help you with this part, because hot glue can be really hot and burn you. I hope you enjoyed making your nature tic-tac-toe board with me. Now you can go outside and enjoy a little sun and play tic-tac-toe with somebody. Bye!